Welcome back, guys. It's Chef Blake is in the kitchen. Welcome back to BlakeWrTv Kitchen. Thank you for hanging with us today. Today we have a delicious salad for you guys. You're going to love it. We have some turkey breast salad, and come over here so we can show you what we are doing in the kitchen. Here we are, guys. And do you want to go ahead and tell them what we got going on right here?
Here we have some turkey breasts.
It's some turkey breast smoked. We also grill them.
We have some chopped or diced onions and
some minced carrot.
Yep. And here we have
some cut up pepper.
And some tomatoes.
Some
Colby Jack cheese. And some cucumbers. And we have our dressings over here, our Italian zesty dressing, our ranch and Thousand Island. And here we just have the main event, our lettuce. So let's get started.
Okay, guys, so here we are with our slice up lettuce. The first thing we're going to go ahead, guys, and put in this
cucumbers
in here. So let's go ahead and pour them in. That's the first thing. And then we're going to put in this chopped up bell pepper right here. This is the yellow one. Chop them up, dice them up nicely. And then this is our minced carrot. It's very fine, and we beat it so it's soft.
Here we have our chopped tomatoes. We're just gonna add this in here. Ooh. Can you mix that up for me when you're done?
Okay, sure. Okay. You almost make it spill. Okay, guys, we have our tomato in, and we want to put. Do you want an onion to be in there? Just a little bit.
Yeah.
I think we're not gonna put all the onion. We'll probably just put a little bit. So let's just put a little bit of onion in here. This is what it looks like. This is what it looks like. I'm just gonna put a little bit of onion.
Or two.
Maybe like a tablespoon of onion in here. Not everybody like the onion, so we're gonna put the whole thing in here. Guys, and here is our grilled turkey breast. It's smoked grilled turkey breast. This is a lot of turkey breast too. Let's go ahead and pour them in, just like that. And last, we have our cheese. Here's our cheese, guys. This is a mixed cheese, a Colby Jack and cheddar. Put your cheese in. Remember, you can put as much cheese as you want. There we go. Put our cheese in there.
Here we have some wonton strips and sliced almonds in this packet here. Just gonna add this in right now. Looking delicious already. Here we've got some Asian sesame dressing. We're just with sesame seeds. We're just gonna add it in. We've got our zesty Italian dressing here, and we're just gonna add this in. And just toss our salad now. It's very yummy.
This is looking good, guys. Trust me, all them different ingredients in here. It's looking real nice. They're gonna taste good too. Cheese. We have this grilled turkey breast in here, smoke. We got a whole bunch of good cucumbers in there, the lettuce. All the good stuff, guys. This is a very healthy meal for you right here. Okay, guys, as you know, this is a very healthy. You can have this for lunch, at work, at home, wherever you at. It's just a good, healthy meal right here. You can have if you don't want to eat some heavy stuff, or you're watching your weight, or you just want to, you know what I mean?
Better your overall health.
Exactly. So this is where we go with some real healthy salad right here, guys. It's a whole bunch of ingredients all thrown in here in this bowl. It's very succulent right here. Very healthy. Eating for quarantine meal prep. So this is a good idea, guys, where you can just note my ingredients I put in here, and you can make your own salad just like this. Very nice and healthy. You ready? Hey guys, listen.
Thank you for hanging in with us today, guys. We already finished that delicious salad for you guys. You saw all the ingredients that we put in there. I know you guys gonna love this one. While you're watching the video, guys, if you haven't subscribed, go ahead and subscribe. Hit that notification bell so you can get our new upload. We upload 2 videos every week with delicious recipe, guys, and an easy walkthrough tutorial. So if you haven't subscribed, hit that subscribe button, hit the thumbs up bell, give this video a thumbs up, and we will catch you in our next video.